Remove packing list email virus. Overview of packing list email virus. The packing list email virus is a deceptive email campaign that tricks recipients into downloading and executing malware. This appears to be a legitimate packing list from a shipping company, often noting any purported necessary changes to the packaging of a specific item and an upcoming updated invoice. How does the packing list email virus work? You receive an email claiming to be a packing list for an upcoming shipment. It consists of an attached file disguised as a packing list, which is usually a zip archive or PDF document that contains malware. When you open the attachment, the malware activates and infects your device. Distribution methods of packing list, email virus, spam email campaigns, fake email addresses, malicious attachments, social engineering urgency and curiosity, links to malicious websites. Why is the packing list email virus dangerous? Data loss, financial loss, identity theft, malware delivery system, disruption, difficulty in detection, symptoms of packing list email virus infection, antivirus or firewall alerts, missing or corrupted files, slow performance, unusual pop-ups or ads, unauthorized transactions, sending spam emails. How to remove packing list email virus. If you see any of these signs on your computer, as we mentioned above, it is very important to take action to remove them. So if you are confused about how to do it and you want to remove the packing list email virus from your computer, then click on the given link and follow the complete steps given.